This is the SCINIC Enjoy Super Mild Sun Essence Korean sunscreen, which has an SPF rating of 50 plus or a PA plus rating for Korean sunscreens. It's one of the more affordable Korean face sunscreen, and I had it for just under $10, and you can find it on Amazon as well as Walmart. And since this is a Korean sunscreen, a lot of it is in Korean, but thankfully all the ingredients are also shown in English here. Feel free to pause the video if you want to read in detail. I do want to point out that this is a chemical sunscreen and not a physical sunscreen. But opening it up, there are actually seals at the top here, but the funny thing is there's no seals on the bottom, so it's actually easier to just straight up open it from the bottom of the box. But here is the tube. I do like the cap design, which is a twist off to prevent accidental spillage, and there's also a seal when you get it brand new. It's a typical 1.69 fluid ounce or 50 milliliter size, so it's very compact. You can take it with you pretty much anywhere. The consistency is of a lighter cream, so it's not super runny, but it's also not very viscous. As a result, it applies really easily, and a little bit goes a long way. When you initially apply it for the first few minutes before your skin absorbs the formula, your skin will appear a little bit glossy, has a little sheen to it, but after a few minutes it won't look so glossy. What I like about this formula is that it leaves no white cast, and it also doesn't have a fragrance to it, no scent. Even though it has more of a glossy finish, it doesn't feel necessarily oily, and for the most part, it doesn't feel like it's heavy on my face at all. I couldn't find whether or not it was comedogenic, but it doesn't seem to clog my pores. I didn't notice any extra pimples as a result of using this sunscreen, so I think it's okay. And best of all, it doesn't break the bank. So this is my everyday face sunscreen that I intend to repurchase. If you're interested, check out the link on the screen right now.